Let's begin with the Subhashit and Amrit Vachan by Shefali Jindal, a Sanskrit teacher of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Moga.
अष्टादश पुराणेषु व्यासस्य वचनद्वयं परोपकाराः पुण्याय पापाय परपीडनम्। अर्थ, महर्षि वेदव्यास ने अपने पुराण में दो बातें कही हैं, जिनमें पहली है दूसरों का भला करना पुण्य है और दूसरों को अपनी वजह से दुखी करना ही पाप है। अमृत वचन। समय दिखता तो नहीं है, परंतु दिखा बहुत कुछ देता है। भारत माता की जय।
Let's take a look at the headlines of past week. Result of Sarvitkari Genius Main Examination 2021-22 was declared on 28th February. Arman of Malekotla Vidya Mandir donated 1200 rupees to school. Jasprit Singh of Chandigarh got third place in State Bicycle Championship. Chief Election Commissioner of Punjab gave commendation letter to 4 students of Nabha Vidya Mandir. Kavya of Fazilka Vidya Mandir has brilliantly performed in National Talent Search Examination. Students of Rampura Phul got first place in Science Exhibition. Students of Parnala Vidya Mandir participated in Tata Building India School Essay Competition. Teachers of Tapa Vidya Mandir extended their hand under Adopt to Educate scheme by Vidya Bharati. Workshop on New Education Policy 2020 got concluded at Rampura Phul and 40D Chandigarh Vidya Mandirs. International Mother Language Day was celebrated in all the Vidya Mandirs. Birth anniversary of Shivaji and Shri Guruji celebrated with full devotion at Amritsar, 43D Chandigarh and Fagwada Vidya Mandirs. National Science Day was celebrated at Ram Darbar Vidya Mandir Chandigarh. Now news in detail. The results of Sarvitkari Genius Mains Examination was declared on 28th February. The examination is being conducted by Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti Punjab for the academic development of students of class 8th, 10th and 12th from last 5 years in 2 phases. This year 195 students of 8th class, 166 of 10th, 35 in 12th science group and 63 in commerce group took part in the examination. As per the results, in class 8, Vanshika of Dayanand Public School Nabha and Natik from Talwara both scored 97% marks and got first place in craft. Harmanjot Kaur Bhiki got second with 96% marks and Khushpreet Kaur Malekotla got third place with 93% marks. In class 10, Gitanjali Gupta of Bhiki scored first place with 98% marks. Karan Goyal of Bhiki got second with 94% marks and Pushkar Raj of Malekotla got third position with 89.5% marks. In 12th commerce group, Tanvi of Duraduri scored first place with 93.33% marks. Harshpreet Kaur of Bhiki got second place with 92%, 67% marks. Navpreet Kaur of Bhiki and Garima of Dayanand Public School Nabha both got third position with 91.33% marks. In 12th science group Sudaksh Trasher of Bhiki scored first with 94.67% marks. Simranjit Kaur of Dhuraduri got second with 80% marks and Pankaj Goyal of Dhuraduri got third position with 73.33% marks. Samarpan Day was celebrated on 21st February at Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Malekotla. On this occasion, the students came with their own piggy banks which were given to them by Vidya Mandir. Arman, a student of class 8, donated 1200 rupees though his piggy bank was stolen. Let us hear about the spirit of dedication in the words of the same student.
माय नेम इज़ अरमान फ्रॉम क्लास 8 चटर्जी। मैंने हमारे स्कूल में समर्पण होता है जो हम हर साल करते हैं और इस बार भी हुआ। मैं गुल्लक लेके गई और उसके बाद मैंने उसमें भी डाले पैसे, लेकिन उसके बाद हमारे घर पर चोरी हो गई जिसके कारण वो गुल्लक तो गया, लेकिन उसके बाद भी मैंने कोशिश नहीं छोड़ी और मैंने पैसे इकट्ठे किए और मैंने 1200 इकट्ठा करके अपने जो बच्चे अपनी स्टडी नहीं कर सकते, मतलब नहीं जो अपना कर सकते, मैंने उनको वो पैसे दिए और आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
Jaspreet Singh, a student of class 11th of Sharda Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Chandigarh, scored 3rd position in state bicycle championship. This championship was organized by Chandigarh Amateur Association. Jaspreet Singh covered 500 km from Manali to Khadungla Pass, covered the distance in 9 days and 8 nights. He participated in this championship in the sub-junior boys category. On February 20, the elections of Legislative Assembly were held in Punjab. In this election, 4 students, Abhishek Bhardwaj, Karanveer Singh, Navjot Singh and Jashandeep of Dayanand Public School, Pandusar Mohalla Nabha, cooperated with the administration in making the election smooth. For this cooperation, the Chief Election Commissioner of Punjab honored these 4 students by giving letters of appreciation. The 4 are the promising students of this school. Kavya, a student of 11th class of Fazilka Vidya Mandir, established a record by getting place in the merit list in the National Talent Search Examination conducted at the national level. The National Talent Search Examination is organized by Government of India. Kavya cleared the test and got a place in the merit list and became eligible for scholarship. Students of Rampura Phul Vidya Mandir participated in the ongoing Science Week at Punjab University TPD Malwa College and secured 1st position in the exhibition competition related to science. Tanish Singla won 1st position by making smart dustbin, Prince Bansal by making blind stick, while Kushpreet Singh secured the 3rd position by making the smart lamp. Vidya Mandir was also awarded All Art Trophy in these science competitions. On February 25th, Tata Building India School Essay Competitions was organized by Tata Building India at Barnala Vidya Mandir. The competition was held of junior and senior categories. A film on the topic "The Young Will Lead to Future" was shown to the students and quiz competition was held from it. The children answered them with great enthusiasm. This was followed by essay on how to make online class more interesting. The teachers of Tapa Vidya Mandir extended their hand under the policy Adopt to Educate being run by Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti. Rekha, Gurmeet, Darshana, Shubham, Baljeet Singh and Principal Rakesh Gupta ji donated 6,600 to Vidya Mandir. Workshops on New Education Policy 220 were held on 24th February at Rampura Phul and 40D Chandigarh Vidya Mandirs. In Chandigarh, 150 teachers from 7 Vidya Mandirs participated, in which the guidance of retired Deputy Director Shri Subhash Mahajan ji from Punjab School Education Board was received. International Mother Language Day was celebrated in all the Vidya Mandirs on 21st February. On this occasion, the importance of mother tongue was highlighted by the students by making beautiful posters and writing quotes.
ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਆਪ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਾਂ ਬੋਲੀ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਮਾਂ ਬੋਲੀ ਉਹ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਹਰ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਸਿੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਉਸ ਨਾਲ ਬੇਹੱਦ ਪਿਆਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੁੱਖ ਤੇ ਸੁੱਖ ਦਰਦ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਖੁੱਲ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਬਿਆਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਪਰ ਅਫਸੋਸ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੀ ਮਾਂ ਬੋਲੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨੂੰ ਭੁਲਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਨੂੰ ਅਕਸਰ ਅਨਪੜ੍ਹ ਦਾ ਦਰਜਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਭਾਵੇਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਨੂੰ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ, ਪਰ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਾਂ ਬੋਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਭੁਲਾਉਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਸਗੋਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਨ ਨਾਲ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਉਹ ਦੂਜਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਜਾਣੂ ਕਰਵਾ ਸਕੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬਿਨ ਮਾਵਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਪਰਵਾਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ, ਉਸੇ ਹੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਵੀ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਬੋਲੀ ਤੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਅਤੀਤ ਨਹੀਂ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਮਹਿਕ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ 10ਵੀਂ ਜਮਾਤ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥਣ। ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ਾਰਦਾ ਸਰਵਿਤਕਾਰੀ ਮਾਡਲ ਸੀਨੀਅਰ ਸੈਕੰਡਰੀ ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਇੱਕ ਕਵਿਤਾ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਮਾਂ ਬੋਲੀ ਹੈ। ਮਾਂ ਬੋਲੀ ਦਾ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਾ ਗੂੜਾ, ਮਾਂ ਬੋਲੀ ਦਾ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਾ ਗੂੜਾ, ਮਿੱਠੜਾ ਬੇਹਿਸਾਬੀ। ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਰੂਹ ਦੀ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ, ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਰੂਹ ਦੀ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ। कोई नहीं किताबी।
On 19th February, the birth anniversary of Shivaji and Shri Guruji was celebrated with full devotion at Amritsar and 43B Chandigarh Vidya Mandirs. Those who devoted their life to unity, integrity and self-respect of Hindu society are Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and the second most revered Sangchalak of Rashtriya Samaj Sevak Sangh, Madhav Sadakship Govalkar ji. Everyone paid tribute to these two great men and took vote to adopt their teachings in their lives. National Science Day was celebrated on 26th February at Shri Hazari Lal Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Ram Darbar, Chandigarh. A teacher, Karuna of Vidya Mandir, told the students that on this day, the great Indian scientist Dr. C.V. Raman ji made an important discovery in the field of science, which is known as Raman effect. National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th February to make the day memorable. Let's watch a video.
राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर मनाया जाने वाला एक महत्वपूर्ण दिवस है। यह हर साल 28 फरवरी को मनाया जाता है। राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस विज्ञान से होने वाले लाभों के प्रति समाज को जागरूक करने के उद्देश्य से मनाया जाता है।
पहला राष्ट्रीय दिवस 28 फरवरी 1987 को मनाया गया था।
Presenting the beautiful video of Nerkotla Shishu Vatika under our Vidya Mandir series.
चंदन है इस देश की माटी, सबो भूमि हर ग्राम है। हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है। चंदन है इस देश की माटी, सबो भूमि हर ग्राम है।
हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है।
शरीर मंदिर साबावन, हर मानव उपकारी है। जहाँ सिंह बन गए खिलौने, गाए जाओ माँ प्यारी है। हर शरीर मंदिर साबावन, हर मानव उपकारी।
That's all for this week. We'll see you next week with new headlines. Thank you.